Hello everyone, myself Shorima Mondol, Sister Tutor of NSMS Nursing Institute. Today I would like to cover a topic, therapeutic communication. So what is therapeutic communication? Therapeutic communication is a process of interpersonal interaction between a nurse and a patient in which the nurse focuses on the patient's specific needs to promote an effective exchange of information. So, why therapeutic communication is necessary for a nurse to follow? It is essential for a nurse to grow a supportive and positive relationship between a nurse and a patient to promote an effective exchange of information as well as it helps to know a patient better. So now we are discussing about the therapeutic communication techniques. As you all can see, there are 12 therapeutic communication techniques. First is listening. What is listening? Listening is the active process of receiving information. The non-verbal responses of the patient, like nodding of the head, maintaining eye-to-eye contact. And for a nurse, this is very crucial to understand. Next point is broad opening. What is broad opening? Here, a nurse encourages a patient to discuss about his or her thought, or we encourage the patients to thinking about different types of topics. Like we ask the patient, what are you thinking about? So this is broad opening. So next point is restating. What is restating? Repeating the main thoughts expressed by the patient is restating. Like we asked the patient, you said last night that your mother left you at the age of 5-year-old. We focus as the main thoughts of the patient. Why the patient is depressed? That is restating. The next point is clarification. Here, a nurse tries to clear the unclear thoughts of the patient so that the patient can himself better understand and a nurse also better understand a patient. We try to clear the unclear thoughts that depress the patients more. So the next point is reflection. What is reflection? Directing back the patient's thoughts, emotions, ideas or feelings is reflection. Then here it proves the nurse validates and concerns about the patient understanding and emotion, and also the patient understood that the nurses give sympathy or empathy for him. So the next point is humor. What is humor? The discharge of energy through comic enjoyment to the imperfect.
So the next point is informing. So what is informing? Informing is the skill of information giving. The nurse must provide information to the patient regarding his health condition and medication.
So the next topic is focusing. What is focusing? Here the nurse must focus on the topics from which the patients usually get disturbed. We are asking the patient, why are you disturbed? What is happening with you? So this is focusing. Now the next point is sharing perception. What is sharing perception? Asking the patient repeatedly that what the patient thinks or understood or emotionally feel, actually the nurse can feel it or not. Now comes to theme identification. What is theme identification? It involves the underlying issues or problems experienced by the patient. Now comes to silence. What is silence? Lack of verbal communication is silence. It is because of some therapeutic reason for the patient's benefit. So the last point is suggesting. What is suggesting? Here the nurse provides the patient's alternative idea so that he can choose his own problem solving technique. So this is all about therapeutic communication, and these are the therapeutic communication techniques. I hope this is useful for you all. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.